Hi guys, welcome back to Stoke-On-Trent Ventures. Just a bit of a review. I nipped down 5 Towns Koi in Burslem yesterday and picked up a sort of a stand-in feeder, making up batteries. In fact, I think Nigel at the moment, 5 Towns, I'll put a link below. I've still got a few left, not many, and they've been reduced to £45 each, and you get free batteries as well, which is a no-brainer really. So yeah, so this is, I've not opened it yet. This is a feeder. So it's a pond feeder suitable for outdoors, and it's a Londa feeder. So automatic feeder unit brush dispenser, professional breeder for feeding their fish, small quantities several times per day. So yeah, it's automatic feeding up to 4 times a day, an amount adjusts from 50 to 1400 grams per day. So yeah, it's quite good really. It's got a brush dispenser. So yeah, they come with 3 batteries as well. So let's get it set up and see if it's just adjust you a little bit. So I'm just using the stand I haven't used before. So yeah, a little bit better. So let's have a look what's in the box. So first, you get your instructions, showing all the bits and pieces and how to set it, operation instructions, filling station. So yeah, so that's pretty detailed really. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so we'll just put the batteries in. That little lip there stops the feed from coming up. There's 2 holes there that you put some screws in. The clock, you see, just a digital clock. Dead easy set up really. So I've got your feeds. 1 at 8:35, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. And you can set to how much food you want dispensing. You've got a manual switch, so press that and you can see the brushes go in there. That's handy, so you can do a manual feed in the day if you're roundabouts. So at the moment it's got for the small pallet, which is great because that's probably what I'll be using for the fish. This little bracket here, it simply fits over the bottom end there. You've got 3 prongs, fastens on there, and then you've got a bracket so you can fasten it to the base or wherever you're putting it. That's if you want to do that, or you just sit it on the feet. It's got 4 feet. So yeah, so I'll put some food in. I'll put a bit of food in and we'll test it. So you get some screws in there as well that you use to fasten the plate on. So at the moment I'll put that back in there so it's safe. And I'll get some food in, I'll get back to you. I thought there would be a website on here as well, but it's a 10 litre one as well. So there's the instructions. And get your bits and pieces. I don't know what they are yet, but no doubt I'll find out. We'll see what they are and then. Yeah, more of that. A minute, pretty big bit of kit really. I'll say, as you can see in there, the brushes are in there, look. Packaging. So yeah, you see the brushes there. Pretty robust feeder really. So your controls are on the inside of the lid. Now it says outdoor feeder, but it's got no seal around it. So I don't know. Oh right, okay. So that is for medium pallet. At the moment, it's got the one in for the small pallet. I'm guessing that is what is fastened to the base, and this one here at the back goes at the front, so it flirts the pallet out. So there's the controllers there. Just simple. We've got manual feed. And then the quantity, so it goes from 1 to 6. Yeah. So I'll say quite big compartment for your food. I'll tell you 10 litres. Nice and easy. So I'm guessing I should have read the instructions first, to be honest. Yeah, so you got a plate that sits at the bottom. So you've got this plate here, see if we can get it out while you're here. I'll say Nigel at 5 Towns. He has got quite a few of these left. How many have we got? Well, quite a few, about 3, 4 I think. So yeah, so there's a plate. Now I'm guessing that goes yeah. On the pictures it looks simple. So you got function settings, what parts you've got. No. Oh right, okay. So all this is sit at the top here, stop the food from floating upwards. Seems to won't go in, mind you. Yeah, guys, I wouldn't recommend it sitting there and just balancing it on anything like that. It is actually going on, that one there. So, yeah, so that covers on. Press manual feed. flayed stout pretty well really. A bit too much. It's a small pallet. I'm sure the fish will gobble it up in a bit. So that's 3mm pallet. And so the other pallet I use is 4.5. So it should be alright. But yeah, I'll say it's a pretty hefty bit of kit. I'll say remember I'm using that one and this one. But yeah, I'd say 4 feeds a day. Not a great deal, but it's what you need. Just keep your fry tipping over. So the water's still a bit murky in here, but it's clean up. Bit of water changes today. So there is a little one in here somewhere, but well, there's 2, but I don't see them. So yeah, I'm not sure. You can adjust the feed on that. It is on the lowest setting, it's only on 1. I'll have to have a look, see what this says. But yeah, I haven't put much food in anyway. But yeah, so it flayed stout quite a lot really. So I think it went to about there and it's just come back to the middle. Yeah, the water's a bit cloudy still from the other food I've been using. I've got Nutrimare in at the moment and this one. I did water changes today, so hopefully I'll start cleaning up soon. I will take that out if they don't eat it tonight. So yeah, there you go. I say this feels pretty solid really. Just pallets. So yeah, so it's got small and medium. My glasses on dark. Small and medium bracket that you put inside. That's for the different sizes. But 4 times a day. Dead easy setup. So that's the Londa pond feeder. And it says computer controlled. That's just a digital readout what you set up. So yeah, hope you like the review. I'll let you know how it goes on. I will play around with it with the feeds as well. I won't let it go in the water. I'll put something and catch it and measure it to see how much it takes. So yeah, on that note, cheers guys. Please subscribe if you're not already, hit the thumbs, and next project I've got to put that drum in. It's a must. So we'll get everything out. Try sort the bottom drain valve out, slide valve. I have got a 4-inch ball valve, but it is bulky, so I'll have to see where it can go. It's just cost of stuff, pipe work and everything. That's sort of stopped me. I've had it for a while. It needs to go on now. So anyway guys, on that note, please subscribe, hit the thumbs. I'll see you next time. Stay safe.